all airline terminals. Our next stop will be Federal Circle. Attention passengers. If you see something, say something. Use the passenger intercoms on this train. A problem or ask for assistance.
You're gonna literally get things to sell. I said Armando. I said Armando and one of the flights. And everybody's like, you heard about the show? No, listen, they have one. No, it was I have a weapon. That is very cool. Bro, where do you see it, bro? Yeah, so then, well, I'm not supposed to say that. Well, this is special. Like, white. That's what I'm saying.
We are arriving at Federal Circle for hotel, shuttles, and rental cars. This is the Howard Beach train.
Those are the tracks for Jamaica.
Stop. Look around and please take all your belongings.
Right there, straight ahead, that big tower is Terminal 4, where I work a lot.
How dare you pour Santa
This is the New York skyline.
That's where the kid was like, oh, you're Santa, you're Grinch. Yeah. That's where it came
This train on track 1 is the Howard Beach train, stopping at all airline terminals. For these rides, elevators located at the end of all AirTrain